I'm Troxen. I've been involved with YouTube for a long time, but honestly, I couldn't get a single channel to succeed. Until 2025, I started making progress in a niche I didn't even follow that closely, and it ended up giving me a comfortable life in my 20s. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did and why I did it. To sum it up, I've been consistently posting shorts for a while now. My channel took off, I'm earning a great income, and I wanted to share this journey with you. We all dream of making good money and living comfortably in our teens and 20s, right? First, I started a brand new channel. I didn't even finish setting up all the details. My niche was football. Of course, you need to expand later, but you have to start small to grow big. First football, then other sports, and so on. To be honest, when I first started, I had zero faith. I picked a niche and started analyzing it, but it was frustrating. There were people who had entered the market way before me, and they were producing better, faster content. I was clueless, and honestly, I think that's why I succeeded, because there was so much to learn, both about the niche and about editing. Here is my advice. Find what everyone else is doing well and use it. Watch their videos, take notes on what kept you watching until the very end, and then replicate it. That's actually one of the things I want to do on this channel. Discuss profitable niches with you, analyze them, and talk about what can be done. So don't forget to follow along. Anyway, back to the topic. My suggestion is to find a niche you love, but keep in mind, that might not be the one that makes you money. If you want to start making an extra income and improve your editing skills, your target should be shorts. You can make long-form videos too, but the current YouTube algorithm is obsessed with retention. I've been producing shorts for about 11 months. Within just 2 weeks, my monetization was turned on, and for the last 10 months, I've had a consistent, healthy income. Because my niche is football, I can produce regular and almost unlimited content, and truly, the income has been incredible. After a while, the idea of opening different channels came up. In the beginning, I had videos that got 0 views, but I was posting 5 to 7 shorts a day, playing with the algorithm. And by focusing on hyped topics with engaging content, I passed 10 million active views in just 2 weeks. Yes, there were videos that failed, some got 0 views, some got 15, but I was new. YouTube didn't know me yet. I introduced myself, I proved I'm a reliable creator. My advice to you, do not quit after 3 or 5 videos. You cannot see the true potential of a channel without making at least 40 to 45 shorts and 20 long-form videos. And please, stay away from the AI garbage. At least don't let AI do everything. Add your own soul. Add a personal touch to your content. Otherwise, you'll either end up in YouTube's AI trash bin, or you'll be competing with millions of other identical AI-generated videos. This is my first video. I don't know how many people I'll reach or what those people really want, but I want to help someone. And I'm not doing this entirely for nothing. I'm actually going through a bit of burnout, and I'm pushing myself to keep creating and maintaining this income. This channel is a place where I tell my story and hopefully help someone else out. So, if you have a question, ask it. I'll do my best to help. My shorts journey started like this. I started when I knew absolutely nothing, and I'm so glad I did. I bet you're sitting there right now with an idea in your head, waiting. Don't wait for permission. Every second you wait, you're losing. Just be clueless and start. What do you have to lose?